I've litigated with Afriforum and Roots before, and they've never brought someone so weak as you.
O tlile go sela ga bedi gape Kgorotsheko ya Johannesburg mo Moetapele wa EFF Julius Malema a boditse go ba shweu tsebe go kwa tse ba di jile go mohlang wa tlala.
It is white people who must be ashamed of what they've done to us. You cannot turn tables now and want to blame me for the crimes committed by white people. It is a white regime that killed children in 1976. It is the white regime that killed children in the 80s and in the early 90s. It is white people who engaged in the wars of dispossession and forcefully took our land and our cows. Why can't you take responsibility? Why can't you for once just say sorry for the crimes we have committed against you?
O gana nnang gore kosa ya tokologo Dubula ibhunu ke taelo ya gore go hlasela dipolasa.
Singing will never be confused for command. It is what it is. It's a chant, it's a singing, and in African culture, singing is not taken in a literal meaning.
Ke dingangisano di le gare di ya hlohletsa maemo le ona a thoma go ngangega.
Your parents have left you a bad name. So that is the context I'm using it. So please, if you are going to be a legal representative, you are going to have to reduce yourself from this case as an individual. Remove your emotions and deal with me as a professional.
O latofatsa Afriforum ka gore e ka ke yona fela e kwisitswe go bohloko.
We are still a traumatized nation, if you don't know. And that trauma is real. And don't push us to that pain. Because when that day comes, we'll not be scared.
Theko e tswela pele go sasa.